based on the video, what do you think our lesson for today? Tama. It's all about light. Alam mo ba na meron tayong 7 different colors of light? 7 different colors of light. Yan ay ang red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Yan yung makikita natin sa rainbow. And if these 7 colors of light combine together, it produces white light or visible light. White light or visible light. Yan yung nakita natin na light coming from the sun. At alam mo ba that the speed of light travels approximately 300 million meter per second. 300 million meter per second. Ibig sabihin, 300 million metro kada segundo. Ganyan kabilis ang speed of light. Ganyan kabilis ka mahulog sa maling tao.